Welcome to chapter Storm in the Garden. So there lived a snail named Sunu Sunu. One day he decided to visit his friends, the ants. When he visited them, they all climbed all over him. The snail Sunu Sunu felt tickling and laughed. Hee hee hee. They even climbed under him. He laughed again. Hee hee hee. Suddenly, a great white light crashed through the clouds. Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his head, his tail, and sat very still. Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew past. Oh, but where were the ants? Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for them. They were hiding under a flower pot. Go home, Sunu Sunu. Hurry, hurry. Your mother will worry. The ants cried out. Sunu Sunu went to his mother. She was sitting under a stone near the well. Amma, said Sunu Sunu, there is a storm in the garden. He heard the wind blow. Hoo, 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 hoo. I saw the trees sway. Shine, 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 shine. I saw a lightning flash. Zuck, 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 zuck. He heard a thunder roll. Dadum, 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 dadum. He heard rain fall. Sita, sita, pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita. He heard water dripping. Plip, 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 plip. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. He said once again, hoo, hoo, shine, shine, zuck, zuck, dadum, dudum, sita, sita, pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita, plip, 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 plip. Hearing to this, his mother looked at him and smiled. They both sat under the stone until the rain stopped.